and welcome back to our channel. If you are visiting us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video on cooking, you are notified on the same. So today we're going to be cooking a very tasty pilau. It is vegetable pilau. So let's go straight to our ingredients. So today, onto our ingredients, we're going to be needing our 2 cups of rice. Here I've already washed my rice. We're going to be needing 2 glasses of green peas or minji. Then we're going to be requiring our tomato and tomato paste. I've used 2 large tomatoes and some tomato paste, like 2 tablespoons. We're going to be needing our finely diced carrots. Here are my carrots. We're going to be requiring our garlic and ginger, all made into a paste. Then we're going to be requiring some dhania. We're going to be requiring some red onion, 1 red onion. Then we're going to be requiring some capsicum, pilipili hoho. Here is a pilipili hoho. Then we're going to be requiring some potatoes, Irish potatoes. Then into our spices, we're going to be needing pilau masala. Here is my pilau masala. Then we're going to be requiring a tablespoon of curry powder. Then we're going to be requiring a tablespoon of roiko. Then we're requiring salt to taste, some water. Now this is 4 cups of water to cook these 2 cups of rice. Then some cooking oil, of course, to fry our pilau. So let's get started. So my oil has been heating up, so I'm adding my onions. You're going to need to fry them until they are golden brown, almost starting to turn golden brown, sorry. So my onion is now starting to turn golden brown, or it's translucent, and now I'm going to add in my garlic paste and ginger. So now I'm going to let it cook until it is golden brown. Then I can add my spices. So now I'm adding in my pilau masala, curry powder and roiko. All the 3 spices. Then give it a good stir. The aroma is already coming. My neighbors can already smell I'm cooking pilau. So this is the color I need, golden brown. And then now I'm going to add in my tomatoes and tomato paste. Give it a good stir. And let the tomatoes cook until they are soft. So my tomatoes are ready. You can see my oil is separating from my tomatoes. It's a good sign that my tomatoes are well cooked. So now I'm going to add in my potatoes so that they can also absorb that spice. And also remember we're using medium heat, not high heat. I'm going to add in my carrots. And give it a good stir again. And now I'm going to add my rice so that it can also absorb that color and also the flavors of my spices. Give it a good stir. I want it to absorb that color. So now I'm going to add my 4 cups of water to my rice. Then I'm going to wait for it to boil first before I add my pre-cooked peas. So my rice has been simmering for about 5 minutes and the water has gone down a little bit. So I'm going to add my green peas, my pre-cooked green peas. So I'm adding them at this time because I had already cooked them. I don't want them to overcook, so I'm adding them now. So give it a good stir again. And remember, don't feel limited about the vegetables. If there are some vegetables that you like that I didn't include, please feel free to include them. Then I'm going to add in my bell peppers. Again, you can use red or yellow, the one you prefer. I'm using green. So I'm going to add them like that. Give it a good stir. And now, finally, we're going to add in our coriander or dania to our pilau, like that. Again, stir. So normally, rice is cooked by the steam and not the water. So now, we're going to cover our sufuria and let it cook under low heat. So we're going to cover it and let it cook under low heat so that our rice can be cooked well. So cover it like that and let it cook for about 10 minutes, but keep checking. So now I'm going to add in my salt to taste. I'd forgotten to add it earlier. So we'll just like that. And then just let it now we're going to cover our pilau again. So my pilau has been simmering and cooking under low heat because I don't want my pilau to burn. And now it is ready. And now you can see the color. And my potatoes, where are they? Here. You can see it is cooked very well, perfectly. So that is how I prepared my vegetable rice or my vegetable pilau. So now you can serve this with kachumbari and your favorite drink. So that is how I prepared my vegetable pilau. You can see it is ready, looking very yummy. The color is just what is required of pilau. So kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel and even like this video. If you learned something new or just hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Also watch other recipes of pilau in my channel. I have several videos. Please make sure you have watched them. Thank you so much for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's